Hello everyone, my name is Nina and welcome to my Bonbonina channel. Today I'm going to show you easy mousse cake, easy but yet very tasty. It's going to be with chocolate. And stay till the end to see the result. We start with beating eggs and sugar. But before, mix very warm butter with 2 tablespoons of cacao. Okay, I'm beating the eggs now till they double in size. Separate bowl, and at the same time I'm gonna beat my egg white. Are almost ready, and now I'm adding there my cacao and butter. Eggs are all ready, and now I'm gently folding my egg whites into my eggs and butter mixture. And now I'm sifting there my flour. I took a little bit of almond flour. You can use just regular flour, all amount, or like me, divide and use any flour you like. My butter is ready, and now I am moving it to this pan. Base for our mousse cake, and it's going into the oven 376 Fahrenheit for about 10-12 minutes. Alright, we continue to make our beautiful chocolate mousse cake. So this is base for our mousse cake, and this is chocolate sponge, and it's ready and it's cooled down. And now I'm gonna I'm cutting with this ring the base for the cake. I don't need all of it, so just like that, and it's done and it's ready. Before I start making any mousse cake, I soak my gelatin. So my gelatin is soaked, it's bloomed. Here I have really hot milk, and I melted my chocolate just a little bit. You don't have to do that. So I'm pouring my hot milk into the chocolate. And I also adding my gelatin right into the hot milk. Mixing it all together really well. This is base for our mousse. It has to cool down to the room temperature. While it's cooling down, I'm gonna whip my cream. I whip my cream to very soft peaks. Also, for the flavor, I'm gonna add some Irish cream to my chocolate mixture. I'm gonna add like a few tablespoons. You can add as much if you want. So my chocolate mixture reached room temperature, and now really slowly and gradually I'm gonna mix it together with my cream. Mixing it with the folding action from the bottom and up, To make sure that everything mixed together, I'm gonna use my whisk. I'm gonna use this silicone mold for the mousse cakes. And I'm pouring my mousse right in there. And on top of the mousse, I'm gonna put my chocolate sponge cake. And I'm just pressing just a little bit into the mousse. And that's it. My mousse is done. It's ready. And it's going to the freezer. And tomorrow I'm gonna decorate it with the chocolate glaze. So today is second day of making our beautiful chocolate mousse cake with Irish cream. Yesterday we basically made the cake, and yesterday I said I was gonna decorate it with the chocolate glaze. So I changed my mind. Today I'm gonna show you how to make caramel mirror glaze. It's very easy to make, and it's beautiful and yummy and not too sweet. Okay, so here I have corn syrup. If you have glucose syrup, you can use glucose syrup. Corn syrup is easier to get. Corn syrup and sugar. And I'm gonna put it on a stove, and I have to cook it until basically it becomes a caramel, like rich dark amber color. My caramel is ready. It's beautiful amber color, and it didn't take long at all. And I forgot to mention, before I start, I soaked my gelatin. So here I have very hot cream, so I'm adding it to my caramel. And immediately mixing. Beautiful. So let it settle. Let it cool down a little bit. And I'm adding my white chocolate there. And mix it all together. I'm adding my soaked gelatin in there too. And that's it. The glaze is done, ready. I just want to blend it together to get better result. When you blend your glaze, you put your blender at the angle and do it on a very low speed. Make sure that there is no bubbles. I'm gonna run it through the sieve a couple of times. Working temperature this glaze is a little higher than regular. It's about 40 degrees Celsius. So I'm gonna wait till it cools down to the working temperature, and then we're gonna decorate our cake. I'm done. My beautiful chocolate mousse with Irish cream is ready. And look how beautiful the caramel glaze looks. It's shiny, and it's why it calls mirror glaze, because you can see yourself in it, and I definitely can. So, as you can see, there was nothing too hard to make this cake, but the result is yummy and result is beautiful. So make it, let me know how it works for you. So put your thumbs up, subscribe, like this video, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.